Hey everyone, I'm going to be smashing a controller that uses for nothing now. It was the one that used to be for change color, which is this one that is called Electra, and that's what it's called, and it's Electra, and that's what kind of remote control is this one that is uses for nothing now. So the battery, I took it out, so and that's a good thing. I don't even need the battery for this one now. Yeah, bang and slam. Haha, look. Oh. The other part. Yeah, I don't even see them. Yep. Now it's broken. Yep. There's even some little things on around here, which is kind of hard to get off on these little rocks, but I got one of them. Yep. And now it's definitely broken. Yep. Yep, but now it's definitely broken. Alright. So, subscribe for my video, so like and subscribe for my channel, so bye bye.